In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to give your artwork a colored background, the easiest way to do it in Illustrator is by creating a rectangle that fills the entire artboard and placing it behind everything else. This method is simple, clean, and works well for all kinds of projects. To begin, select the rectangle tool. You can find it in the toolbar, or simply press M on your keyboard as a shortcut. This is the tool we'll use to create the background shape. Next, draw a rectangle that covers the entire artboard. Try to make sure it reaches all the edges so the full background area is covered evenly. If your rectangle doesn't line up perfectly on the first try, that's okay. The important thing is that it fully covers the artboard, since this rectangle will act as your new background color. Once the rectangle is in place, move over to the panel on the right side and look for the fill color swatch. Click the swatch beside fill, then choose the color you want for your background. This is where you can customize the overall look of your design. You can go with something bold, soft, neutral, or brand specific depending on the style you're aiming for. After setting the fill color, click the swatch beside stroke and set it to none. This removes the outline from the rectangle. That step is important because if the stroke remains active, you may end up with a visible border around the edge of the artboard, which usually isn't needed for a background. Now that the rectangle has the right color and no outline, it's time to place it behind your artwork. Go to the top menu, click Object, then hover over Arrange, and select Send to Back. This makes sure the rectangle sits underneath all your other design elements instead of covering them. Finally, lock the background so it doesn't accidentally move while you continue working. To do that, go back to Object in the top menu, hover over Lock and choose Selection. Locking the rectangle is a helpful finishing step because it keeps your background in place and prevents accidental edits. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in Adobe Illustrator using a simple shape, color fill, arrangement, and lock workflow. It's a quick technique that makes your workspace easier to manage and your final design more polished.